Life in a Rainforest by Shirley Horton. What you already know. Plants and animals need each other to live. Sometimes plants and animals help each other to find food and shelter. Sometimes they protect each other. Sometimes they eat each other. Plants make food with energy from the sun. Many animals eat plants. Other animals eat these animals. This is called a food chain. Living things that make their own food, like plants, are called producers. Animals that eat other living things are called consumers. Some animals hunt other animals for food. They are called predators. Some animals get hunted. They are called prey. Food chains have predators and prey. A food web is when many food chains happen in one place. Food webs are found in many environments. Sometimes food webs change. In this book, you will read about how plants and animals live together in a rainforest. You will learn about the parts of a rainforest. You will meet many different plants and animals that live in each part. What is a rainforest? Look at the map below. The red line is the equator. It is an imaginary line that goes all around the middle of the world. Right over and under the line is where rainforests grow. Plants in these forests grow tall, thick, and green. This is because the weather there is warm and wet. There are different layers in a rainforest, like the layers of a cake. Rainforest layers. Emergent layer. The tops of the tallest trees reach sunlight and air here. Canopy. The tops of some trees and plants make a lot of shade here. Understory. The trunks of tall trees and the tops of some short plants reach here. Forest floor. This is the ground level where trees and plants begin to grow. Rivers. Rainwater runs off forest leaves and branches here. The river. Many kinds of fish live and lay their eggs in the rivers of rainforests. Most fish eat insects that fall into the water. Archer fish do not wait for their dinner to come to them. They knock insects off low-hanging plants, then gulp. Piranhas are fast fish with lots of very sharp teeth. They like nibbling the fins of other fish for food. Snip, snip. Caimans, like alligators, are water reptiles. When hunting, they can hide under the water with their eyes just above it, then snap. The riverbank. Tapirs are mammals. They look for plants to eat at night. They have to be careful when they look for food. Predators, such as large snakes and water reptiles, are watching for tapirs to eat. Anacondas are big snakes. Sometimes they hunt for food in the river. Other times they hunt in the trees. Anacondas coil around their prey. Then they swallow their prey in one big gulp. Basilisk lizards are small, light, and fast. These reptiles can run across the water on their back legs as they chase their food. The forest. Gorillas are big apes that live in lowland or mountain rainforests. They spend their days playing, sleeping, and eating on the forest floor. At night, young gorillas sleep in nests in the trees. Other gorillas build their nests on the ground. Insects and spiders also live on the forest floor. Wasps and bees drink nectar from forest flowers. They carry pollen from flower to flower. This helps fruit to grow. Tarantulas are big spiders. They move fast through the leaves on the forest floor. They have hair all over. Some flowers grow on the dark forest floor. Rafflesia flowers have no stems or leaves. They live on the roots or stems of other plants. Rafflesias are the largest flowers ever found. The understory. Some of the animals that live among the leaves, branches, and vines of the understory never go down to the forest floor. Bats sleep in the day hanging from branches. At night, they zip through the trees hunting for food. Some bats eat only insects. Others, like this vampire bat, eat animal blood. Many plants growing from branches in the understory are shaped like cups. These plants can hold rainwater. Tree frogs lay their eggs in these plant cups. The frogs also hide in these plants to wait for insects to fly by. They eat the insects they catch. Chameleons are lizards. They change their colors to look like the forest around them. This camouflage helps them stay safe. Boas are snakes that curl up in tree branches. They trap birds and lizards that get too close. Then they strike, squeeze, and swallow. The canopy. Lots of different kinds of orchids grow in the canopy. People around the world love these beautiful flowers. People take these flowers to many other places to grow. Many swinging and flying animals live in the canopy. Tiny green plants called algae grow in the hair of big sloths. These plants grow because a sloth's fur is wet from the rain. Unlike other canopy birds, toucans have very long beaks. Their beaks are long, but they are very light. Monkeys live in the canopy too. These animals swing and leap through their treetop homes. They're made to move well in the trees. They have long arms and tails. They have hands and feet that can grip the branches. Monkeys can stay safe in their treetop homes. As long as they stay up in the trees, they cannot be eaten. Gibbons are small apes. They are like monkeys in many ways, but they have no tails. The emergent layer. Rainforest butterflies fly in the emergent layer. The blue morpho butterfly is easy to spot. It is bright blue. Predators are fooled by the way this butterfly looks. Predators think it is a flower. They stay away, and the butterfly stays safe. Marmosets are little monkeys that eat insects and fruit. They can move through the treetops. They cannot hold on with their tails and hands as well as other monkeys. Colobus monkeys almost never go down to the floor of the forest. They find most of the food they eat in the trees. These monkeys have very long tails to help them move in the trees. These birds are parrots. They fly through the emergent layer to find food. They make loud noises as they fly. Parrots and their eggs are the prey of many forest animals. They are also hunted by people who sell them as pets. If you ever visit a rainforest, watch for these beautiful birds and for the other animals you have read about. You will not see them all in the same rainforest. At first, you may not even see any of them, but keep watching. Some of them will be watching you.